Chicken layer farming is a profitable agricultural venture in South Africa, providing a steady income through the sale of eggs. This video will guide you through the essential steps to start your chicken layer farming business, covering everything from selecting the right layers to preparing a suitable house and estimating costs. What is chicken layer farming? Chicken layer farming involves raising poultry specifically for egg production. Layers are breeds of hens known for their high egg-laying capacity. These chickens typically start laying eggs at 18 to 22 weeks and can produce eggs consistently for up to 2 years. How to choose the right layers? Selecting the right breed of layers is crucial for optimal egg production. Some of the most popular breeds for layer farming in South Africa include Highline Brown, known for high productivity and adaptability; Isa Brown, excellent feed-to-egg conversion ratio; Lohman Brown, reliable for consistent egg production. When purchasing point-of-lay hens, ensure they are healthy, active, and free from diseases. Vaccinated against common poultry diseases like Newcastle disease and infectious bronchitis. Preparing the house for your chicken layers. A well-prepared chicken house ensures the health and productivity of your layers. Follow these steps to set up a suitable environment. Site selection: choose a location with good drainage, adequate ventilation, and access to clean water. Housing size: allocate a minimum space of 0.2 square meters per bird. For instance, a house for 500 birds should be at least 100 square meters. Ventilation: install windows or vents to allow fresh air circulation and regulate temperature. Lighting: layers require 14 to 16 hours of light daily to maintain egg production. Use artificial lighting if necessary. Flooring: use concrete floors to make cleaning easier and prevent pests. Nesting boxes: provide one nesting box for every 4 to 5 hens to encourage proper laying behavior. Equipment needed for a chicken layer farm. Here's a list of essential equipment: feeders and drinkers. Ensure adequate feeding and watering stations to prevent overcrowding. Perches: allow chickens to rest comfortably. Egg trays, for safe collection and storage of eggs. Heaters/brooders, necessary for younger birds during colder months. Cleaning tools, such as brooms, shovels, and disinfectants. Poultry netting, to secure the area and protect birds from predators. Storage facilities, for feed and equipment. Minimum investment required. The initial cost of setting up a chicken layer farming business depends on the scale. For a small-scale operation, for example, 100 layers, you may need point-of-lay hens, 170 to 200 rand each, totaling 17,000 to 20,000 rand for 100 hens. House, building materials and labor can cost 5,000 to 40,000 rand. Feed: layers require high-quality feed costing around 300 to 350 rand per 50 kilograms bag. Equipment: budget 5,000 to 10,000 rand for essential tools and materials. Combining these factors, the total cost to equip a 100-layer chicken farm in South Africa ranges from approximately 40,000 to 85,000 rand, depending on material choices, labor, and additional features. How much are point-of-lay hens? Point-of-lay hens in South Africa typically cost between 170 to 200 rand, depending on the supplier and breed. Purchase from reputable breeders to ensure the bird's health and vaccination status. Other important information: biosecurity: implement strict hygiene practices to prevent disease outbreaks. Limit access to the farm and disinfect footwear and equipment regularly. Record keeping: monitor egg production, feed consumption, and expenses to manage your business effectively. Marketing: establish a customer base by supplying eggs to local shops, markets, and restaurants. Legal requirements: register your business and comply with local regulations, including animal welfare standards. Starting a chicken layer farming business in South Africa is an excellent opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs. By choosing the right breed, preparing an ideal environment, and investing in quality equipment, you can build a sustainable and profitable venture. With the right planning and management, your farm can thrive and contribute to meeting the country's growing demand for eggs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Stay tuned.